Comparing Mitosis and Meiosis by KayScience.com. Mitosis and meiosis, you must know the similarities and differences between them. So mitosis starts off with one diploid body cell. One diploid body cell with two sets of chromosomes. This body cell is then going to divide and it undergoes one cell division. One cell division, whereby the cell will divide once into two cells. So two cells are formed and they are two diploid body cells. So two diploid body cells are formed and they are genetically identical cells. So mitosis is when one diploid cell divides once to form two diploid body cells that are genetically identical. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Meiosis is different. However, it starts off with one diploid cell with two sets of chromosomes. So one diploid cell which has got two sets of chromosomes. And this diploid cell will divide. It divides for a first time to form two diploid cells. So two diploid cells are formed. This is where meiosis is different from mitosis. These two diploid cells divide once more. So for a second cell division, forming four gametes. Four haploid gametes with one set of chromosomes. So it's four haploid gametes that form. And these haploid gametes are all genetically non-identical. So it divides once to begin with and then a second time. So there are going to be two cell divisions in meiosis. Two cell divisions in meiosis compared to one cell division in mitosis. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes.